How to optimize Steam Remote Play. So if you want to optimize Steam Remote Play, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your Steam application. Now, after opening your Steam, you need to just go with the top left, which has that Steam icon, and then go with settings. And once you enter settings here on the left side, you will have an option of remote play. So you need to just scroll down a bit, and then you'll find a remote play option. The first setting you'll encounter is allow direct connection, IP sharing. Make sure this is set to automatic and enabled, as it helps in establishing a more stable connection with minimal lag. Next, enable the advanced host option, which is right here. This is crucial as it allows us to unlock more in-depth settings to optimize the performance. Now enable hardware encoding. This will utilize your computer's hardware to encode video streams, lightening the load of your CPU and generally improving performance. Also make sure to turn on the option to prioritize network traffic. This setting helps in reducing latency by ensuring that your game streaming data gets top priority over other network traffic. Moving forward to client options. Enable advanced client options and set the video stream quality to fast. This setting is a great compromise between quality and performance, especially on lower networks. Next, on the bandwidth limit, you need to go with the drop down. You can set this to unlimited, or if you're on a tighter network, choose the option that best suits your connection speed. As for the resolution limit, set it to automatic. Let Steam adjust the resolution based on your network conditions, maintaining a smooth experience. Finally, ensure hardware decoding is turned on for your client device. This further optimizes the performance by offloading the video decoding to your device's hardware, again helping maintain a seamless steaming session. Once you've applied these settings, you're all set and ready to enjoy your gaming with Steam Remote Play, enhanced and optimized for the best performance possible. Head back to the main menu and you're good to go. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.